Imagine this, the lights go dim, your phone buzzes, and suddenly the internet explodes with whispers about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the next mega flagship that's already shaking the entire smartphone industry before it even exists. Yeah, this is not just another rumor cycle. This is Samsung quietly preparing its boldest and smartest phone ever, and today we're diving deep into every mind-blowing leak, every detail, and every reason this beast could redefine what a smartphone can be in 2026. So, if you're ready, buckle up, because the S26 Ultra leaks are getting wild. Let's start with the big one, design. Leaked renders show a sharper, cleaner, and more premium look than ever before. Gone are the soft, curved sides. Now we've got a sleek, flat-edge design with slightly rounded corners that feel modern yet professional. Kind of like the perfect hybrid between the Galaxy Note's strength and the iPhone 16 Pro's sleekness. But what really catches your eye? That massive camera island on the back. Yes, Samsung's bringing the camera bump back in style. It's bold, unapologetic, and honestly, it screams confidence. According to trusted sources, the entire frame is thinner at just about 7.9mm, yet those lenses protrude out almost 4.5mm, giving it that all-business vibe. It's like it's saying, I'm here to capture everything. Now let's talk display on Samsung's signature strength. Rumor has it the Galaxy S26 Ultra will rock a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED M14 panel, and if that doesn't sound sexy, let me translate. It's brighter, clearer, and more energy efficient than anything we've seen before. Imagine using your phone in harsh sunlight and still seeing vivid, punchy colors. That's what this new M14 panel promises. Plus, it's said to include something wild called a privacy display mode, a futuristic feature that can literally blur or dim parts of your screen so the person sitting next to you can't peek at your messages, your banking info, or those secret late-night texts. That's next-level privacy and pure Samsung innovation. Under the hood, we're hearing two possible chipsets: the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for most global models, and Samsung's own Exynos 2600 for select regions. Now, before you roll your eyes about Exynos, leaks claim Samsung has finally closed the performance gap with AI-driven optimization that could actually outperform some Snapdragon tasks. Speaking of AI, buckle in. The S26 Ultra is rumored to feature Galaxy AI 2.0, a massive upgrade from what we saw in the S24 series. Think real-time voice translation, photo enhancement that literally relights your face in shadows, generative wallpapers, smarter battery control, and even dual assistant mode. Imagine Google Assistant and Bixby working together for once. AI is clearly Samsung's next big bet, and the S26 Ultra will be its testing ground. Camera time. And trust me, this is where things get spicy. Samsung's not reinventing the wheel, but they're fine-tuning it like never before. We're talking a 200-megapixel primary sensor with a wider f1.4 aperture, meaning better night shots, sharper details, and richer contrast even in low light. Add to that a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, another 50-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto, and a 10-megapixel 3x zoom lens for those crisp close-ups. That's a camera array built for creators, travelers, and tech obsessives. Some leaks even suggest Samsung's working on a new, AI-based video stabilization system that tracks subjects with cinematic precision. Think Galaxy Vision tracking that automatically keeps your face centered during vlogs or video calls. And yes, 8K recording is still here, but this time with better HDR and improved heat control. But wait, Samsung's not just about the hardware. The little quality-of-life upgrades are what might blow your mind. The fingerprint sensor? Faster. Speakers? Louder and more spatial. Battery? Still $5,000 mage, but with faster 60W wired charging, meaning 0 to 100% in around 35 minutes. Wireless charging's getting an efficiency bump too, with reverse charging strong enough to power your Galaxy Buds or smartwatch in minutes. It's the kind of detail that makes you say, finally, they're listening. And with Samsung's refined cooling system and better battery management AI, this phone could run cooler, last longer, and perform smoother than any Android phone you've ever used. Now, let's talk software, because this part's huge. The S26 Ultra is expected to ship with Android 16 and Samsung's One UI 8, and leaks hint at deep AI personalization. We're talking about a phone that literally learns your behavior. It'll know when you usually open maps for your commute, when you scroll through YouTube, or when you go into Do Not Disturb mode, and it'll automate all that silently. Imagine your phone turning on dark mode exactly when you're about to sleep, or preloading your favorite apps before you even tap them. This is where Samsung's vision of a smart companion finally starts to feel real. Not just marketing, but all this luxury and power brings the $1,000,000 question, or maybe the $1,000 one, the price. Leaks suggest Samsung might raise the price slightly, possibly starting around $1,299 for the base Ultra model, with higher tiers reaching $1,599 for 1 TB storage. Expensive? Absolutely worth it? Maybe more than ever. Because this time Samsung's not just selling specs, they're selling experience, innovation, and identity. Now let's compare this beast to the S25 Ultra. Sure, the S25 was a killer phone, but the S26 feels like Samsung's response to everything critics and fans have asked for. Better low-light photos, faster charging, smarter AI, flatter design, and yes, improved heat management. Even small design tweaks like the repositioned S Pen slot and slimmer bezels make it feel more refined. It's evolution done right. But what about competition? Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to drop around the same time, with its own AI-centric features and titanium design. Yet many analysts believe Samsung's AI software, combined with that giant camera setup, could actually give it the upper hand, especially for power users, gamers, and creators. Samsung's not trying to copy Apple anymore. They're trying to lead, and it shows. And here's where things get really interesting: the long-term strategy. Leaks from inside sources suggest Samsung's working on integrating its entire ecosystem, phone, tablet, watch, and even Galaxy Buds, into one continuous AI system. That means your S26 Ultra could literally detect your Galaxy Tab, sync notes, auto-connect your watch for workouts, and even switch audio between devices with zero delay. That's Apple-level ecosystem magic, but open, flexible, and customizable. Now, one rumor that's creating buzz online is Samsung's experiment with liquid lens technology. While not confirmed, if it happens, this could allow the S26 Ultra's cameras to physically reshape for different focal lengths, meaning one lens could act as multiple cameras, macro, portrait, zoom, all in one. It's sci-fi level innovation, but Samsung's R&D teams have hinted they're close to bringing it to reality. Still, not every rumor is exciting. There's some concern. Reports claim the 3x telephoto lens might use a smaller sensor, which could reduce sharpness at certain zoom levels. It's not a deal breaker, but if true, it's something professionals might notice. Also, Exynos variants, if they return, might still lag slightly behind Snapdragon versions depending on market. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it's ambitious. Now, imagine using this phone day to day. The curved glass merging into metal. That enormous 200 MP lens capturing colors that pop like a movie frame. The AI cleaning up your photos automatically. The display glowing like it's made of light itself. It's the kind of tech experience that reminds you why innovation matters. This isn't just a smartphone. It's a digital extension of you. They're faster, smarter, and more personal than ever. So, should you wait for the S26 Ultra? If you're rocking an S24 or older, absolutely. The jump here isn't just hardware, it's mindset. Samsung's clearly moving toward a world where AI isn't an add-on, it's the foundation. And with the leaks stacking up, this could be the device that sets the tone for every flagship in 2026. The S26 Ultra might just be the phone that redefines premium Android, not because it's the most expensive, but because it's the most complete. And as always, remember, these are leaks and rumors. But the excitement, the anticipation, and the possibilities are all real. So, if you've made it this far, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which S26